Welcome. If you want to change theme in your KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, let's go for the theme application, and it will be probably in your main screen. So click on this up, click 2 times allow. Okay, and right now we can select one of the following themes. Maybe we can select this one, so click here. Click one more time. And right now click right here on the download. Then use the apply button. And it's successfully changed, so let's check how it looks. And as you can see, our theme has changed. I hope that I helped you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.